Hi there, this is Watson from 911 Studios, and today we're going to take a look at the Cuisinart CGG 306. It's a chef-style propane tabletop grill with 2 burners. It comes in stainless steel, but if you think 2 burners is a little much, you can also get a 1-burner version, which is very nice as well. And both versions are available with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping. Excellent. And this 2-burner one has about 2,200 ratings on Amazon with an average of 4.6 out of 5 stars. Excellent. It's 21.5 inches long by 19.5 inches deep and stands at 15 inches tall. Weighs about 22 pounds, minus the propane. And it's fast and easy to set up, actually requires no assembly, and can be set up and ready for grilling in under 10 minutes without the need for tools or matches. And there's 2 stainless 20,000 BTU burners, a powerful 2-burner system with electronic ignition and dedicated control knobs for each stainless steel burner. Each stainless steel burner provides 10,000 BTUs and allows for simultaneous grilling. So just to clarify, 20,000 BTUs total, 10,000 BTUs per burner. The stainless steel grate's perfect for large cuts of meat. It provides top performance with a large grill in a portable form. It cooks food evenly with the 2-burner system, making it ideal for cooking those big steaks. It's lightweight and portable. The stainless steel grill weighs only 22 pounds, making it small enough to fit in a compact car. The locking cover, folding legs, and a comfortable carrying handle make it easy to take anywhere. It also has ideal heat control. An integrated thermometer and adjustable burner knobs help control the heat of the grill. A twist-start automatic ignition means that matches are never required. And it works with a 20-pound propane tank, which is not included. But it does include a drip tray to collect grease and drippings, and a 3.5-foot hose to connect the grill to a propane tank. It also has a 3-year limited warranty. Now let me share with you a nice review from a verified purchaser. Received it 45 minutes ago, and I've just finished cooking 4 large chicken breasts. Just unpack, connect to a propane tank, and use. So simple. I'm so glad I didn't buy another large grill that requires an engineering degree to put together. Well, okay. If you're looking for a small grill that can cook big steaks, I think this Cuisinart is your machine. So check it out, Amazon Prime, remember, for free shipping. You're gonna love it.